Welcome to the future of data processing. In this tutorial, you'll discover Polars, a cutting-edge DataFrame library that's reshaping how developers and data scientists work with tabular data in 2026. If you've used Pandas before, you've already experienced how powerful DataFrames can be, but you may have also noticed the slowdown when datasets grow large. Polars was created to solve exactly that. It brings modern speed, parallel computing, and smart query optimization to your everyday data workflows. Unlike Pandas, Polars is multi-threaded and uses all your CPU cores to process information at lightning speed. Before we take you through Polars, let's first understand what are DataFrames. DataFrames organize data into rows and columns, allowing for seamless filtering, cleaning, and aggregations. Use Pandas for smaller tasks, but choose Polars for large-scale pipelines and massive ETL workloads. Setting up is easy. Just run pip install Polars in your terminal and ensure you have Python 3.9 and VS Code ready. Import Polars as PAL and you're ready. It's built for speed, scalability, and extreme memory efficiency. Upgrade your workflow and start processing data smarter with Polars today. Happy coding!